biggest draw is that there's a connection here that I make with the audience. There's a lot of talented musicians out there, but one of the things that I've realized here about the piano bar is that people come to actually interact in the show. A lot of people already know what they're going to get when they get here, so they're just waiting for those moments when they can either come up to the stage and maybe do a sing-along, or you know, like we do a lot of different songs here at the piano bar that allows them to sing along and participate. Some of them are funny, some of them are well-known songs like Don't Stop Believin' Journey or Piano Man or Bohemian Rhapsody.
We shall save us, all the singing sounds alone.
I think there's a healthy mix. I think because of where Orange Beach is located, between Pensacola and Panama City, Destin, and also on the other side we have, you know, we have Mobile, we have New Orleans, we have, you know, Baton Rouge, other areas. They come in from both sides, and this is a great spot. The Wharf is well known throughout the South. So we're in an ideal place where tourists can come, do some shopping, get some eating done, and then absolutely have, you know, a fantastic time.
I'm just messing with you, troubles will come and they will pass. Go find a woman and you'll find love. Don't look the sun, there is someone of the world. Why my eyes are closed? It's just as well for all I've seen. And so it goes, and so it goes. And you're something wrong surround us. You and I knew I went up to the gates of Graceland.
There's so much interaction that happens in a Julian piano show. It's more than just playing 20 songs and going home. It's the idea of really connecting with the crowd and making people laugh, making them feel special, making them feel good about what they're doing when they're here.
PM to 1 a.m. Thank you guys so much for coming out tonight and enjoying the show. I'm going to leave you with one more song tonight.